Hey guys, welcome to my channel Atlas Developers, and today I'm going to show you how you can solve this API variant.getAssemble problem and many other problems like API variant get process output process problems. Basically this problem occurs when you download a program or any other software from the website like GitHub, and it's a Kotlin program and in Android Studio. So the line that you are seeing is class path io.fabric, and we only need to change this line. So I will give you the code in the description. So you only have to copy this code and paste it over here. And now you have to only sync the project. Now as you can see, the all the tasks has been successfully built and there is no error that you can see in the terminals. So let's check it again, bypass this error again. So we just rebuild the project to check that error is successfully gone or not. It takes a little bit time because it's rebuilding all the project again. So as you can see, the build is successful and there is no error occurred again. So I hope you guys like my video. Please click on like button and subscribe to my channel.